This is the sharpener for the MajorSlice 350. Here you can see the sharpening stone, and here's the deburring stone. Ensure the carriage is in the home position. Place the product pusher in the stored position. Adjust the index control knob to 7. Loosen the wing nut on the sharpener assembly. Lower the sharpener onto the gauge plate so that it rests in the two mounting grooves. Ensure the knife edge is between the two stones of the sharpener. Tighten the wing nut on the sharpener assembly to affix it to the gauge plate. Press the slicer's on button to apply power. If you hear a grinding noise, immediately press the off button and check the gauge plate position. Raise the lever all the way to sharpen the blade. Raise the lever halfway to deburr the blade. Press the slicer's off button. Remove the sharpener. Close the index control knob. Clean any sharpening debris away from the slicer. Sanitize the slicer before using.